Have you tried to make a cheese and something went wrong? Don't worry, now I'll show you how you can save your curd. I was trying to make the caciocavallo cheese, but after that I had the rennet and I was mixing my milk very well. The rennet started to coagulate the milk, so I have a kind of ricotta cheese. But don't worry, I drain it and after I will use it. Maybe you have the opposite problem. You add the rennet, wait 1 hour and nothing happened. Don't worry, you need to add a little bit of vinegar or a little bit of lemon. Stir very well, put on the stove and bring to the boiling point, always stirring, and after you will have again kind of ricotta cheese. That after that you drain like me, you can use it for kind of cheese. There is no name for this cheese, but it's general cheese. We can call it save cheese. You put your curd in a container like this, more or less the quantity that will fit one basket, and you can add some spices. I will do 1 with chili and maybe 2 with black peppers. Put the ingredient, mix very well and put again in the basket. After the basket you need to put in the fridge, always with something under the basket because the whey still will go out. Please be careful, because if you make a mess in the fridge after at home will be a big problem. Because was losing a lot of whey, you need to put in a container with something behind, a support. If you put 3 small, it's better because this one is not so stable. Okay, now I go ahead with the other curd, with pepper like this, and also a little bit of ground pepper. Okay, done it one also without spices. If you like, you can do simple like this and after add the spices at the end, up to you. Now we should keep it at room temperature for 3 hours to help the whey to go out from the cheese. Plus, if you put them one upon each other, the whey will go out faster. But be careful, because you should put it in a place where nobody will touch it. Ta-da! After 3 hours, I don't know if you can notice, they are shorter, so they are not on the top like before, but they are going down. So we can put them in the fridge for 24 hours. Tomorrow we will try to flip them upside down. After 24 hours, we can add the salt and flip them upside down. Add the salt and flip them. You can store in the fridge. Wait at least 24 hours because the salt needs to be absorbed a little bit, and after you can taste it. If you want to season it them or mature them, you need to prepare emulsion, that is oil, white vinegar and salt. Oil them very well and remember to flip upside down every day. If not, they crack and the mold start to grow inside. They are no good. But don't worry, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow I will cut one and we will test it together. This one I cover with the spices, rosemary, pepper, the spices that you like. The other one, we give him the emulsion, the salt, the vinegar and the oil. The one with the black pepper, I want to test it now. Really, really, really spectacular, especially with a tarallo. You can find the recipe here on the channel. This kind of cheese, because it's not proper cheese, it's kind of cottage cheese, you will need time to season it. So probably this one, I will cover it with chili and paprika, but I will adapt you in the future. So remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends, and to click on the bell. In this way, when I will post other videos about the cheese, you will receive the notification. Bye bye! I eat a little bit more.